I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Open Device Manager to confirm the Bluetooth adapter exists. Drivers often vanish or hide. Once done, toggle airplane mode on then off to reset radios quickly, and make sure Bluetooth is enabled in Settings devices. If you can't find the icon, show Hidden Devices in Device Manager. These steps reset state and surface hardware problems before deeper troubleshooting. Next, focus on drivers and services because most issues stem from software mismatches. You should update the Bluetooth driver first. If a recent update broke it, roll back. Then open Services. MSC and restart the Bluetooth support service so Windows reinitializes dependencies. Once done, run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter from Settings. It automates registry checks and common fixes. Make sure to reboot after driver changes so the kernel and hardware use the new binaries correctly. Finish by removing and repairing the device to clear pairing cache. Go to Settings Devices, remove the device, then pair again. If the adapter still doesn't show, verify BIOS/UEFI settings and any physical wireless kill switches because firmware can disable Bluetooth. Finally, if none of this works, consider a system restore point or reinstall the specific Bluetooth driver from the manufacturer. Quick tip: if pairing fails repeatedly, reboot both devices and try one more time before deeper actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.